Well, good morning, viewers. As a follow-up to my previous video where I was listing out the Mark 1 handling package parts that I was going to put on my Mark 1, I'm happy to report that now most of them have been installed on the car. It took me a bit longer than I anticipated, but anyway, it's all done now. As you can see, I've left the cover on for now, just as a bit of a teaser. And it is a nice cover. It's really cool how it follows the same pinstripe as the car with the Mark 1 on the bonnet. Alright, okay, time for the reveal. With the assistance of my stepson Riley, we will now reveal the car. Okay, now where do we start? Let's go to the front. Now, to say that I'm happy with the result would be an understatement, but I'm just going to come down and pan out a little so we can get a good look at that new front splitter. And how aggressive does that look? That is just awesome. Okay, I'll come around the car. You can see the new flare guards there. And more importantly, the new wheels. Hang on, I'll just try and pan out a little more. They just look awesome. They really fill out the wheel arch much more than the stock wheels. At the moment, the tyres are the Yokohama AO52s. They're the semi-slicks that I'll be using on the track. So this will be my track setup basically. Okay, we'll just get some more shots of the car. I'll try and pan out so we can get some better looks. Okay, so another new addition is the rear spoiler. Again, look how aggressive that is. And the associated gurney flap. If I just pan out, I'll get a back shot so you can see the full effect. I'll just come out a bit more. Oh yeah, how good does that look? What a beast. The other thing was the little rear spats here. Mostly for show. And the last thing, okay, forgot something. Riley, can you go get the Mustang keys, please? While Riley's doing that, I'll just keep coming around. So I'm really looking forward to my first track day with all these options. That'll be in June. And I'll be putting up videos with that. I'm also very excited to announce that I've got a new GoPro and I'll be using an app called Race Chrono Pro, which will allow me to get some onboard footage with some data that I can put up on the screen, like speed, revs, throttle, brake, etc. So watch out for future videos. Now, let's get back to what else I wanted to show you. The fire extinguisher, nicely tucked in there, and as you can see, it doesn't affect the seat at all. Outstanding. Okay, keep watching the channel because this week me, my dad, my brother, Jay and one of his friends and my nephew are going down to do a rally car day, and I'll be getting footage of that too. So I'll put that up on my channel and look out for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.